Hey guys, welcome to Shy Guy Promotions. I'm train spotting, local train spotting 6. Welcome to the video. Okay guys, here we are. Platform 1 and 2. I will see you in another countdown. Platform 2! Platform 2! Okay guys, here we go. There it is. I'm gonna head to platform 1, guys, because we've got the 2 hourly trains here. We've got the one at 25 past 3 and we've got the one at 27 minutes past 3 here. So these trains are gonna be it. We only had a few trains then, in that way. Here goes the platform 2 one. Oh no, here comes the one here. Another crossover. Guys, another crossover. Wait, I'm gonna head to platform 2 because of the train there. Right, I'm just gonna head up to Footbridge, guys. There it goes. Let's go do it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching the vid. Stay tuned.
Please stand back from the platform edge. The next train has
Wait! What? Guys, we've got an express right here. And you just heard the announcement. So I'm going to end it on that. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, stay too sweet. Take care, guys. Here it comes. We've still got a red light. Look there. And a red light on platform 2 as well. So the train cannot come through. So I'm definitely going to go up the platform a bit. Look, there's the light. so the train cannot come through. However, I can hear it. That's really crazy. You can't go through. I'm gonna go meet Gondar, guys. He's coming down in the lift or elevator. If you are American. Oh, the light is green. It's a goods train. It's a goods train, guys, because that G up there means goods. If you saw the last video, Trainspotting 4, you would have seen that. How strange. So I don't know. It's a goods train. I'm heading right down because I can hear it. Here we go. Bye guys. Stay too sweet. Thanks for watching. Lots of carriages, guys. This is as far as I can go. That platform. Still going. Look all the way down there. It's still going. Too sweet! Bye everyone! Stay too sweet.